you, if I add 10 and 2, what I'll get?
12.
Yeah. If I add 10 and 4, I'll get?
14.
Yeah. Is it possible that if I add 10 and 4 and instead of 14, I'll get some other number like 16?
No,
Why?
because all the values are known.
Because all the values are fixed,
Values are
not
fixed.
known. Known, so you know the values. If we give some value to a variable, you know the value of that variable also. But
Okay.
you can say that these values are fixed. We cannot change. 4 is always 4. 4 cannot be 6 or 2 or any other number. So,
Yeah.
so they are called as constants. Okay. And if I add, suppose 10 and x, so what I'll get?
You can get lots of numbers depending on what the value of x is.
Yeah, we don't know the value till we don't know the value of x. We cannot figure out the sum. If I say ki x is equals to 1 here, so the sum will be 11. Now, if
Yeah.
I say the x is not 1, x is 7.
Then it will be 17.
Then it would be 17. Great. So basically, this x is not having any constant value.
Okay.
It keep on changing. It depends on us what we are giving the value to this alphabet x. So they are called as variables. Okay, it's because they don't have any fixed value. It keep on changing as per our requirement. Now, what is the use of? So first you said, okay, if we can find out the unknown values, and we can make the formulas also by using the algebra, a general formula. I'll give you a small example of that. You know what is equilateral triangle?
Yeah. A
What is,
triangle with all equal sides.
yeah, having all the 3 equal sides. Suppose I make this equilateral triangle. I'm saying this one of the side is 2 centimeters. So all the sides will be 2 centimeter only. This is
Yeah.
also. So what will be the perimeter for this? I'm denoting it with P.
Yeah. So then the perimeter would be 2 squared. I mean cubed.
No. Perimeter is what is perimeter?
Yeah. 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Yeah. You have to add all the sides. If you want to figure out of the perimeter of any figure, you just add up all the sides. So here in this case, we'll get the perimeter 6 centimeters, right? Now,
Yeah.
if I change, it is not 2 centimeter. Suppose this is something like 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. So in this case, the perimeter would be equals to
9.
3
3
times
plus 3.
3. Here you
3.
got 2 times 3, so you got 6. Here 3 times 3, you got 9 centimeter, whatever the unit is given to you. Now, if I say the sides are not 3 or 2. Now I'm saying the side is x centimeter. So what would be the perimeter in this case?
So P would equal to 3x.
Yeah, 3 times x. So you can say 3x. So we got a general formula to figure out the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. What is that? The 3 is constant everywhere. This 3 we have because we are having the 3 equal sides. So you multiply the side is whatever the measurement of the side is given to you. So this thing is keep on changing. The value of this side. This 3 is constant. So we figure out one formula for the perimeter of equilateral triangle, that is P is equals to 3 times x, or you can say that x is the side, 3x. Okay, 3 times side. Okay, now got it? Like this way, we figure out so many formulas also. There are n numbers of examples. Now, if I have written I have written this P is equals to 3x. I'm writing only this 3x only. So this 3x is called an expression. Okay, this 3x is called an expression. Until and unless if we equate this expression to something, like here I have written P equals to 3x. Now I equate this 3x is equals to p. Now it becomes equation,
Equation.
right? When we equate expression to something, it becomes an equation.
Equation.
Now in this, now we'll talk about the expressions only. Okay. And today we'll talk about the expression, not the equations. So I have written this 3x. So how many terms we are having in this expression?
Visual 1.
Yeah, 1. So if you have only one term in any of the expression, we call it, what we call that expression?
Monomial.
Monomial. Great. Very good. And if I had, let's suppose 3x plus 4, we are having here how many terms?
2.
2. So we call it?
A polynomial.
No. Yeah, that also we can say. But for 2, we can say it binomial also.
Okay.
Okay. And if we are having more than 2 terms, like suppose I have written 3x square plus 2y plus 7. So then we call it polynomial.
Okay.
Okay. We call this also polynomial. Okay. So, okay. So this is about this, the type of this we are having. Okay. Then next we'll talk about coefficients. Coefficient, you know what the coefficients are?
Ratios like the number of a variable.
Like suppose I have written this, we are taking this example only, this 3x. What is the coefficient of x here?
3.
Yeah. And what is the coefficient of 3 here is?
X.
X. Okay. And suppose if I written, sorry, 3xy. So the coefficient of y here is
3x.
3x. 3x is the coefficient. So leave that the number or the variable multiplied with that are the coefficients. Okay, now we'll talk about the degree. You know what is degree?
Like
Exponent or degree?
number, yeah, squared, cube. What degree it's squared?
Or the number of times we are multiplying the same thing, that is called its degree. Okay, if I write 3 to the power 4, what is the degree here?
4.
4, the degree here. Okay. Now, do you know how to find out the degree of an algebraic expression? If
Can
suppose
you just give me an example? Could you give me an example? We could also root it.
Suppose I have written 3x square plus 4x plus 5. What is the degree for this expression?
2.
How do you know?
The highest degree is 2.
Highest degree term will give you the degree